Welcome to the World Science. For watching more videos from the World Science, please subscribe the channel, like and share. Leave a comment for my answers. If you have a doubt, please comment. Okay, friends, let's start the concept death. Everyone wants to learn about death. So let's start to learn what is death, what is meaning of death education or thanatology. Now we can know about death. Death meaning the act of dying, the end of life, the total and permanent cessation of all the vital functions of an organism. Compare brain death. Phenomena which commonly bring about death include aging, predation, malnutrition, disease, suicide, homicide, starvation, dehydration, and accidents or major trauma resulting in terminal injury. In most cases, body of a living organism begin to decompose shortly after death. Are you know human skull is symbol of death? What is the death education or thanatology? Death education is education about death that focuses on the human and emotional aspects of death. Though it may include teaching on the biological aspects of death, teaching about coping with grief is a primary focus. Death education is formally known as thanatology. Let's learn and get the detailed information. Thanatology or death lore is the scientific study of death and the losses brought about as a result. It investigates the mechanisms and forensic aspects of death and such as bodily changes that accompany death and post-mortem period, psychological and social aspects related to death. Primarily an interdisciplinary study offered as a course of study at numerous colleges and universities. What is the meaning of word? The thanatology comes from thanatology. The word derived from the Greek language. In Greek mythology, thanatos means death, is the personification of death. The English suffix ology derives from the Greek suffix logia. It means speaking. How can we understand the death? A specialist in this field is referred to as a thanatologist. Death education refers to the experiences and activities of death that one deals with. Death education also deals with being able to grasp the different process of dying, talk about the main topics of attitudes and meaning towards death, and the after effects of how to learn to care for people who are affected by the death. The main focus in death education is teaching people how to cope with grief. Many people feel death education is taboo, and instead of talking about death and grieving, they hide it away and never bring it up with others. With the right education about death, the less taboo it may become. People trying to understand it and make life easy. For more information, read these reference books by Robert Burton, The Anatomy of Melancholy, Wait and watch the next videos on death and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching this video.